Yo, what up, y'all? Randy Rude Boy Brown here. It's about that time. It's about that time, as promised. If you've been following the Real Rude episode and the Real Rude series on YouTube, then you know that I'm building a monster PC. We're about to build a beast with a 2080 Ti graphics card, something serious. So here it is, as promised. Let's get right to it.
Some songs with many meanings. Read between the lines. Know what this prophecy revealing. When you read the signs, you got to creep before you walk. You got to live before you die. Feeling great now, how you feeling? Really fine too. I got some songs with many meanings. Read between the lines. Know what this prophecy revealing. Read the signs. Creep before you walk. I'ma put my city on the map. Yeah, they'll a splash. Yeah, they'll a move. Blaze fire hot. Barrel full of crap, boy, barrel full of crap. Think them coulda stopped. Well, of them sell I go crack on the crowd at the barrel and reach to the top. Well, of them should I sell out to my land in a barn, my show never flop. Shell on the water already, shell it down again and then call him a back. Who could I sick for call my walk? Share with the wall of my breath and then 50-50 when it drop. I put my seat on the map. Yeah, they'll a splash. Yeah, they'll a move. Playing on a shot. Rise up the sun from under the drum. Yourself for up, but wake up a gun if I tell on her run. She a go hear when the clock stop. Me ear love chronicle, the senior or the junior chat. Yeah, I wear them I go do and tie them junior chat. Go tell them baby them not ready cause the doula come. Them think I yesterday I from your little youth me a chat. Me no play ring ding with reggae music, give me my ring. Man I tie jacket, the Lian dolly with any rhythm. Now give me no praise, yeah listen last year I'm a king. Just give me my crown, cause me and son I play with me, think I'm on a dark motivation. Melody and my weapon, lyrics and my ammunition. It's highly as you send me with that on a mission. But I know all them I gonna get the microphone from out of me. John never give the power to no ballad man to judge it.
Okay, so we ran into the issue with this card, so I had to run the Micro Center real quick because I had my i9 9th gen i9 Intel Core processor was not compatible with my Maximus Formula motherboard, so I had to switch it out. So I ran the Micro Center real quick, and now we have the 10th gen. We had a small upgrade, actually a pretty big upgrade. 10th gen Core i9 10900K. the SSD. That's gonna be this right here. The only reason why I wanted it on this side in the first place is that because it's RGB and it just looks fire. You know what I mean? RGB always looks good. So I was like, all right, I got this cool one with the fucking Viper on it. It lights up, you control it. But the point of me getting it is for it to sit right here and you can see it on my motherboard when everything lights up and it looks fire along with my graphics card and all that. But now I'm gonna have to put it on the back because this has there's another port where I can put the SSD drives in the back. So I guess I'm gonna have to just put it in the back.
Yeah. Go dummy, Kyle.